In 2019, Patrick Selig filed a lawsuit against Dean J. Anderson Group, Inc., a debt collection agency, alleging violations of the FDCPA. The complaint centered on 3 telephone calls made by the defendant in February 2019, during which the debt collector failed to identify itself as a debt collector, did not inform Selig that the calls were made to collect a debt, falsely suggested that legal action would be pursued against him. Selig contended that these actions caused him emotional distress and necessitated time spent researching legal representation and the debt collector's identity. The court found that Dean J. Anderson Group's conduct violated several provisions of the FDCPA, failure to meaningfully disclose the caller's identity, making false threats of legal action that could not legally be taken, using false representations or deceptive means to collect a debt. Failure to disclose that the communication was from a debt collector. Failure to provide the required written notice of the debt. The defendant did not contest liability but disputed the amount of damages claimed by Selig. The court awarded the following: actual damages, $1,000 for emotional distress and time spent addressing the issue. Statutory damages, $1,000, the maximum allowed under the FDCPA. Attorney's fees and costs based on the time and rates of the attorneys involved. Court costs, $400, including the filing fee. The total award amounted to $13,845. Key takeaways. Importance of compliance. Debt collectors must adhere strictly to FDCPA requirements, including proper identification and disclosure during communications. Consumer rights. Consumers are entitled to seek damages for violations, including emotional distress and attorney's fees. Legal precedent. This case underscores the judiciary's commitment to protecting consumers from deceptive debt collection practices.